close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APS Tech, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube video. So guys, let's get started with today's video. So guys, today I will be going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Tab A, and here we go guys. As you can see, here is the package, and guys, let me tell you, this Tab A is the 32GB variant with 2GB RAM, and you can see we will keep the tab aside. We will check the accessories that are available in the box first, and here you can see here is the Samsung fast charger, the adapter you can say. Now let's check out what's more in there. There is the normal cable of the Samsung of white color, as usual we get in all Samsung devices mostly. So we will see, and here is the manual and the pin to insert your SIM. So guys, it is 4G LTE, let me tell you, and it also has a SIM port. And guys, I have also done a camera test at the end of the video, so stay tuned, watch the full video. And you can see here's the Tab A. If you want to buy this, the link is in the description below. So you can see the color, it is blackish silver and so nice feel. So guys, it is like starting up, and here are the speakers, and you also get like the jack audio input for the aux or your earphones. Now it is starting up. It takes a little bit time to start up for the first time because it is setting up. I will show you how to set it up. So guys, the tabs are normally set it up like the other phones of Samsung and or normal devices. Check some info to get started, and now we will bring your old data for quicker setup. So we will skip this part for now. So guys, now we will start it up. Now choose a Wi-Fi network. You can choose your Wi-Fi network if you want, and you can start up without. You can also skip the parts if you don't want to. Now let me enter my password real quick. So guys, this was the setting up of the tablet. Now let's check out how is the tab. Now you can see here we get the tablet checking for updates. This may take a few minutes. Now it's starting up. So guys, it took like 5 to 10 minutes to start it up for the first time. Now you can see the interface. The interface is kind of good. So guys, here's the camera test now. So the camera in the the daytime, it was pretty good. You can see, let me zoom in. So the clarity is also good. You can buy this. So guys, this was all for the today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel APS Tech. You can check out the giveaway of iPhone XR. I am currently doing a giveaway of iPhone XR. The link is in the description of the iPhone XR giveaway video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.